Hi, it's Danny. Thank you for checking out this second part of our little series of neck function and alignment. Let's do a little extension, neck extension and flexion. So that's chin down and chin up. So just feel your range without straining. How far down and how far up. You can do this with your forefingers right on the occiput there. Because right in there, where the atlas joins the cranium, that rocker, that's where you're looking to or feeling to move from. So you might even just palpate there or in from here and get a sense that inside there's movement high up in the neck, different to this, moving lower down and from the thoracic as well. Now let's add to this chin up, chin down, make it more functional, make it more holistic. Weight shift to one foot and lift your chest up. Then let your chest flex. So ribs, thorax, spine, chest bone comes through and down. You can change legs randomly. As you lift up, let your head fall back. As you drop back, let your chin tuck. The more you lift your posture, the more permission your neck has to fall further back. Keep within your range. This should feel comfortable and quite nice as a neck exercise to flex and extend. Feel free to do one or two more, seated or standing. Come forwards, posture comes up. The higher that goes, the further back it can be, the more comfortable it can be to get more range. Now, if you watch for a moment, if I drop my posture and then practice neck extension, it doesn't go too far and it kind of jams. If we just bring in this motion, the head goes on way, way, way back. Very comfortable, far more range. So when you come to do any neck exercise, can it come from further down, even from the ankle hinge, from the base there? Travels through the body, comes right up. Let the neck extension come from particularly thoracic spine. And if you bring your chin down, let that posture relax and chin tucks in. Then you come somewhere back to neutral and you're nicely aligned with your head resting on the rest of your body. Okay, thanks for watching today.